In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a video on Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. Vimeo is a fantastic platform filled with creative content, from short films and documentaries to tutorials and music videos. But sometimes, finding that specific video you want to watch can feel overwhelming, especially with so much content available. That's why I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you usually use. Once your browser is open, type in the address bar at the top, vimeo.com, and hit enter. This action will take you straight to the Vimeo homepage. Now, if you already have a Vimeo account, fantastic! If not, you can still browse videos, but you might want to consider signing up later for additional features, like the ability to like and comment on videos. But, for now, let's assume you have an account. If you're not signed in, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click that and enter your credentials to log in. Once you're signed in, you'll notice a sleek interface with a lot of eye-catching video thumbnails. At the top of this page, there's a search bar. It looks like a long rectangle, and clicking on it will allow you to type in your search query. Go ahead and click on the search bar. Here's where it gets exciting. You get to search. Think about the video you have in mind. It can be the name, title, a topic, or even a keyword related to what you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for a video about cooking pasta, simply type cooking pasta in the search bar. Once you've entered your search term, press enter, and watch as Vimeo displays a list of potential matches. Now, you'll see a variety of search results generating on your screen. This is where you can browse through the options. Take your time looking through the videos presented to you. You'll notice each result typically includes the video thumbnail, title, and a little description to help you determine whether it's what you're looking for. If the results seem a bit overwhelming, or if you want something more specific, Vimeo provides several filters to help narrow down your search. These filters may include categories such as newest, most popular, or even filtering by the type of content, like films or tutorials. To apply a filter, simply click on the desired option and watch as your results change to reflect your choice. Once you find a video that interests you, don't hesitate to click on the thumbnail or the title. This will take you to the video page, where you can finally watch your desired content. Once you're on the video page, take a moment to review all the information available. You'll see the title prominently displayed, a detailed description often containing relevant information, such as the creator's notes, and sometimes even tags related to the video, which can help you find more content in the same genre. Now, if by chance the video you want isn't showing up in your search results or you can't quite find it, don't worry, it happens to the best of us. A good tip is to try searching with a different keyword. Sometimes using just a single word or a variation of the title can yield better results. You could also try searching for a shorter version of what you remember about the video, and that could just do the trick. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge on how to find a video on Vimeo. By following these simple steps, you should have no problem hunting down that elusive video and diving into some great content. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to stay updated with more useful tips and tutorials. Happy viewing on Vimeo!